Dear friend, are you tired of trying to make positive lifestyle changes and always failing? In the beginning, you are motivated to practice new habits like eating a healthy diet and staying hydrated, exercising, getting more sleep, reducing your screen time, spending more time with your family, creating a morning routine, reducing drug and alcohol intake. But afterwards, you start putting off the new habit. You tell yourself that you'll start on Monday with a clean slate. Come Monday, you feel a lot of resistance, but you still do it. After a few tries, you start skipping days. I'll make it up tomorrow, you lie to yourself. Before you know it, you've fallen off the wagon again. You are left feeling frustrated and angry with yourself. You feel like a total failure who is incapable of improving their life. To make matters worse, you keep facing the consequences of your unhealthy habits like poor health, fatigue, and strained relationships. But you feel completely stuck, helpless, and hopeless. Unfortunately, most of the sound advice that is out there on how to break free from unhealthy habits is impractical. Often, friends, family, and even experts will advise you to just stop or have stronger willpower and self-control. But you know very well that it is not that simple. If it is, then millions of people would not be struggling with unhealthy habits. The surprising truth is that there are little-known techniques and practices that make it easy to let go of destructive habits and install healthy ones. Luckily for you, these techniques are easy to master and apply. You can start applying them now and start seeing the chains of destructive habits falling away. Today, you'll learn how to form new healthy behaviors and get rid of the destructive habits that are holding you back. For many years, I was just like you. I failed to create new habits so many times. My health was failing because I did not exercise. I had early onset diabetes because of eating too much junk food. To make matters worse, my relationships with my friends and family were failing because I was spending too much time at work. Funny enough, work wasn't going very well because I was often tired and unfocused. My life was a mess, and I was sick and tired of it. Was I doomed to suffer the consequences of my poor habits forever? I wondered. That's when I started studying the science and philosophy behind habit formation and lifestyle design. I discovered little-known techniques and principles that make it easy to kick bad habits and create new healthy habits. As soon as I started applying these techniques and principles, my life changed for the better. I started practicing healthy habits consistently. As a result, my physical and mental health improved. I reversed my diabetes and now eat a healthy diet. My relationship with my friends and family has improved because I have more time for them. My work has improved because I am energized and have laser-like focus. I have higher self-esteem and I am always looking forward to a brighter future. And today, I want to share with you the discovery that changed my life. The secrets and techniques will guide you on how to uproot negative habits and create a healthy lifestyle. You will be healthier, happier, and wealthier. It's time for you to design your best life. Introducing Healthy Habits, Simple Lifestyle Changes for a Healthier You. Healthy Habits is the ultimate guide for those who want to create a better lifestyle so that they can be healthier, wealthier, and happier. This blueprint will help you install healthy habits in your life and get rid of the destructive ones. This research-based guide will teach you everything you need to know about harnessing the power of healthy habits to experience major life transformations. Follow the steps taught in this powerful guide and you'll start noticing changes immediately. If you are tired of being held hostage by destructive habits that make you unhealthy and unhappy, if you want to have a healthy lifestyle, then you owe it to yourself and everyone around you to learn the simple but powerful steps taught in healthy habits. Here are some of the things that you will discover in this life-transforming program. The most important treasure in the world that most people don't realize they have until they lose it. The secret to happiness, even if you don't have heaps of money or mega achievements. 3 little-known qualities of healthy habits, plus how to avoid unhealthy habits. The truth about the choices that you make in life. Struggling to break free from harmful habits. Use the super easy techniques mentioned in Chapter 2. 5 benefits of having a healthy work-life balance and how you can get the best of both worlds. The one common mistake that strains interpersonal relationships. 5 easy-to-implement tips to help you slow down in a chaotic world. How to have more time for your work and personal life without staying up late. 6 hacks to help you build a daily routine that works for you. A sneaky way to beat procrastination and have fun while working on your most important tasks. The secret to staying alert and energized throughout the day. 11 tips to help you eat a healthy and balanced diet. How to sleep your way to peak performance. How to use your circadian rhythm to get better sleep. 10 surprising benefits of drinking more water. Plus many more powerful practices and techniques. This is the ultimate guide for those who want to live a healthier, longer life. Have the strength, vitality, and vigor to tackle life's challenges. Spend more quality time with their friends and family. Get rid of unhealthy habits. Improve their physical and mental health. Make better choices regarding their health and relationships. Achieve their most ambitious goals without sacrificing their health or relationships. Here's the good news. Instead of charging this life-changing program at a ridiculous price, I am offering it to you at a tiny fraction of the actual cost. The reason behind this discount is because I want to help as many people like you to be able to get rid of unhealthy habits and make positive lifestyle changes. More importantly, I want you to start practicing healthy habits today. If you've watched up to this point, you're serious about letting go of unhealthy habits and you want to create a better lifestyle. You're just a step away from the healthy lifestyle of your dreams. All you have to do is implement the secrets revealed in this blueprint for the next 30 days. And if you don't see any improvement in your life, simply return your order within 30 days and I will give you 100% money-back guarantee, no questions asked. If you get healthy habits right now, you will get these bonuses. Bonus number 1, complete checklist. This checklist contains a step-by-step action plan for you to make sure you get the full benefits of healthy habits. By simply breaking one huge topic into easily digestible chunks, you get absolute clarity, inclusive of easy-to-follow action steps. Bonus number 2, comprehensive mind map. This mind map is perfect for visual learners. It outlines everything you are going to discover throughout the entire course. With just a glance, you will have a clear picture of what to expect and absorb so much more than reading through healthy habits by pages. You get all the bonuses absolutely free, only if you act today. Now that you know how healthy habits can change your life for the best, you need to make a decision. You can either do nothing and continue being stuck with unhealthy habits forever. You'll never be able to enjoy the benefits of a healthy lifestyle. Or you can take the step that'll change your life instantly by taking advantage of our offer. You can't afford to miss it. As I've shown you, healthy habits will give you the skill set you need to break the chains of unhealthy behaviors and create a healthy lifestyle fast. Plus, if by 30 days you don't like what you get from healthy habits, send me an email and I'll return 100% of your money back. No questions asked. You have everything to gain and nothing to lose by taking this offer. So why wait? Click the button below right now before the price goes up.